All right, friends, so this is the poem you're going to be trying all by yourself today. It's called Dig a Little Hole, Added Stanzas by Kate Roth. Dig a little hole. So I'm going to read it once all the way through, and then we'll talk about it, and you guys are going to make a list of the rhyming words you hear, write them on a piece of paper, and upload a picture of your work. Dig a little hole, plant a little seed, pour a little water, pull a little weed, chase a little bug. Oh, there he goes. Give a little sunshine, see the little rose. Dig another hole, plant another seed. Pour some more water, pull another weed. Chase another bug, oh, there he goes. Give some more sunshine, see another rose. I am going to give you guys a little hint this time and place a little pink marker by each section that has rhyming words so that you don't miss any. Dig a little hole, plant a little seed, pour a little water, pull a little weed. So in this whole section up here, there are some rhyming words. So make sure you write down some rhyming words from that section. Chase a little bug. Oh, there he goes. Give a little sunshine. See the little rose. There are some rhyming words in this next stanza or section. Dig another hole, plant another seed, pour some more water, pull another weed. There are some rhyming words in this next section. Chase another bug, oh there he goes. Give some more sunshine, see another rose. And there are some rhyming words in this last section as well. So I'm going to give you guys a little hint this time by putting these little pink markers. You're looking for rhyming words in each of these 4 sections. So there are a total of 8 rhyming words in this one. So I want to see if you guys can identify those, write them down, and upload a picture of your work.